Today's Race Day Replay is brought to you by Comp Cams, the absolute leader in valve train technology.
And problems for Jim. There goes Carl Tasca. Top end of the racetrack, 781 at 183 miles an hour. And look at that. He just beat the speed record by 2 miles an hour. Oh, my.
Winning doesn't just happen. You have to engineer it. You have to test it and make it better than it was the last time. Our engineers have the passion to create the parts you need, the way you need them to be, again and again and again. We've led this game for over 40 years, and we design, refine, and perfect every valve train part worthy of the winner's circle.